Natasha, and today we are going to be going down a slide and then everything except from football and basketball in this park. Woo! Oh, Minnie did.
First up, the slide.
And
next, we're going to go to the roundabout over here. Who's going to push? I want to push.
Okay.
Yeah.
Challenge yourself.
Oh, come on. Yeah. This is hard. You need to swap hands. Yeah. Not too hard. Oh, no.
Film me. Film
Okay,
me
I'll
running.
My God. This is really bad filming for me because you're really close to the camera. I'm having to do a back bend or something. You're really
Hello, YouTube. Hello.
That wasn't really fast. Come on, let's go.
This
Okay.
is stupid.
No.
I think so.
Yay! I want to go this side. I'm this side. I'm this side. I love this side. Yay! Can I go in the middle? Actually, I want to go in the middle.
Also, guys, if you know what Undertale is, please subscribe to Underground Puppy.
Don't.
Yes, that is my account.
Oh, that's my sister's account. Oh God! Stop! I want to go on the other end. Actually.
Sit down.
Stop, child. Oh God.
Child.
This is hard. I can't hold the camera. Oh my God. Not too fast.
Look at your hair.
Really?
Turn around.
I can't see. What? What? Is my hair bad? Is my hair bad?
No, it's just like going everywhere.
Oh God. Really? Oh.
You want to go on that, or should I go on that and you film?
I want to go in here. I want to. Let's go. Yay!
I'll film it.
Yes, you can. Not too far. Oh my God.
I'm going on you.
This is fun.
You have to hold on to different ones that aren't yours.
Yeah, I can't hold on to very many. Not too fast.
Well, this was the
This is
worst
gonna be
windy day ever.
Scary.
Oh
my God. Stop! That's too fast. Oh wait, no, that's not too fast. That's fine.
It's gonna grow speed, my lovely viewers.
Really?
Yes, it's
Are
gonna
you really
grow
going
speed.
to talk like this?
Yes, it's gonna.
This is going on YouTube.
I know, that's why I'm saying my lovely viewers.
Oh my God. I don't think you're safe. Lila! Hey, I want to get off. Let's go on the swings. Or that mini thing over there.
Right, next.
Let's go on the swings. We're videoing off.
I lost my crown.
This isn't fast. This isn't fast. Mom, can you push me? Mom!
I don't want that into the video. How dare you?
Mom!
Okay, that's enough of the swings. Let's go then.
Climbing frame, the baby's climbing frame.
Hello. Here comes the baby brother.
This is boring with the baby brother. Whoa, the pole. I can't go down the pole. I think I can. Football.
Charlie, look at this.
I can't go down the pole. I want to go on the slide. No, I want to go on the slide. Why? Excuse me. We're now going to go on that slide, down the slide. Baby brother Hattie, big sister Kira.
Hi. Wait.
YouTube.
Can you see how on fleek my eyebrows are and my hair?
Maybe. We're videoing this. Come on, let's go. Yay, let's go to the shops! Yay! Come on, let's go! Stop when we get to the hill.
Hello.
What? What's this? This path is covered with leaves. No. Go over there. This used to be what's it called, a river. river, yeah. A river. Now it's currently filled with leaves. That's a very good sight. Not a good sight. They're my big sisters.
It's illegal to film someone who doesn't want to be filmed, just like now.
Okay, here's a brick wall.
Hello, YouTube people watching. The warning is to not film people who do not want to be filmed because it's against the law.
Okay, let's run down this gigantic hill. This is going to be scary. I'm really scared. Oh my god. This is called running down. It's called scary walking down. What are they doing over there? I don't know.
Moving.
Yeah. Dustbin fully. Sign.
Let's wait.
Ooh, there's the shops!
Yeah, don't buy the shop. Yeah.
Why?
You don't have your money, idiot.
Oh yeah.
For those who are wondering, we're not friends, we're sisters.
Stepsisters.
Yeah. Here, I got betrayed by my own blood one day.
Today, this weekend, it's our weekend with my stepsisters because they live in Slough.
If there was too much detail, they could come to our house.
Oh yeah.
Yes, we make this video big, Shyla.
Yeah, but they don't know where we live.
Yeah, we can just walk back and just show them where we live from this.
This is the perfect shop! I love it here! Love this stuff. Sweets. I can't see the sweets. Sweets!
Oh my goodness, Shyla.
Perfect.
You're the most annoying sister ever. Just sit down, they're not here yet.
I think Akira is.
No.
Here, hold camera. Wait, no, they're here. No, they're not. Oh my god, I need to put this back on.
I'm pretty sure they don't want to see this guy, they want to see me. Or just someone.
I'll put my body on, leave it.
There they are, they're coming here.
They went across the road, we went down
La
the
da da.
Okay, give me. I want to hold the camera out. Yes. Get it. Over there. Now we can go to the shops. We're going to show you all the sweets and everything. That says push. Okay. Sweet.
Pretty sure I didn't say anything because the
camera
is focused and
Oh, that's not where I love it. I like it down
this
here.
is not, we're not sponsoring anything by going in the snow. We're not sponsoring anything by going in the
Oh,
shop.
this is boring.
So don't look at something that has a proper name or otherwise it'll look like we're sponsoring something.
Oh, I love those. Oh, chocolate. These are the lovely chocolates.
You know, she just wants to get her grass. Go on, Albie.
I want Starburst. I want Starburst. Okay. Ooh, Chris. We're videoing this. Where's my money? I want it.
Leona's got it. You can get it. It's chili ways.
Can I have my money?
What do you want to get? It's chocolate.
Money.
Do you realise you can squeeze
Bubble gum out of this. I know.
Ew, gross. I want to buy something. I want to go down here.
What do you want, Isaac?
There's crisps down there at the end of this.
by actually spending it wisely.
There's crisps at the end of this. Pringles! I love Pringles! Well, I'm not buying those.
Shyla, get a small packet of your Doritos and spend your money.